Welcome back to my channel Maths Brain. And did you study well at school? Because here's our challenge, and a lot of students might be saying, hey mister, this is the easiest challenge I ever seen. We have subtraction, we have division, so I learned this stuff in the third grade, so that's fantastic. So go ahead and put your answer down into the comment section. Let's test our school knowledge, let's test our algebra skill right here. So it will be really interesting to check our answers here in just 30 seconds. So let's try to solve it. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation because a lot of students solve this question like that. So here's our challenge. What do we have right here? We have 4 minus 4 divided by 4 and minus 4. So a lot of students start, for example, with this subtraction. They say, okay, we have right here subtraction and we have right here subtraction. So right here we have 0 because 4 minus 4 equal to 0. And right here 4 minus 4 equal to 0 also. So we have 0 and 0 right here with this division in the middle. So one part of students tell that this is equal to 0. Another part of students don't know how can we divide it by 0 by 0. So they say that correct answer is A. So this is our first approach, but in the same way I wanted to show you the second approach because a lot of students solve this question looks like second interpretation, looks like this second interpretation. So we have 4 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 4. So here's our challenge, and a lot of students solve this challenge randomly from left to right. So right here we have subtraction. First of all, 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. We still have this expression, so 0 divided by 4 minus 4. Right now, once more from left to right, 0 divided by 4 equal to 0, and 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. This is option C. So as you can see, second interpretation gives us minus 4. And it turns into a big argument because a lot of students confused what is the correct answer, this one or this one. But in this third interpretation, I want to show you this third interpretation according to PEMDAS order of operation. Because as you can see right here, obviously, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem, okay? So let's rewrite this challenge and let's solve this challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. So divided by 4 and minus 4. So how does this PEMDAS works? PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom, so in a strict order from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, if we have parentheses here. Next we should evaluate exponents. Next, we should evaluate multiplication, division group, and the last step is addition, subtraction group. So right now in this third interpretation, let's solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS order of operation. First of all, let's scan. Do we have parentheses in our challenge? I don't see any of those. We don't have any parentheses. So we just skip this part. We don't have any parentheses. What about exponents like 4 square, 4 cube? We don't have any of those. We don't have any powers. In every value, we don't have any powers. So we just skip this part. Yeah, we don't have any exponents. What about multiplication division group? Let's scan. Where do we have multiplication division signs? Let's look at it. So right here, subtraction. Yeah, right here we have division. So we don't have multiplication, but we have division part. And this is really important moment because right here, if we mention that we have subtraction right here, we can easily see that we have only two steps. We have division and we have subtraction. And as I told before, higher position means higher priority. So division has the higher position than subtraction. So we need to divide 4 divided by 4. Okay, so let's do this. So what do we have right here? 4 minus 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. And minus, we still have minus 4. So here's our expression, 4 minus 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. This is option B. And right now, here's maybe the main question. What is the correct answer? 0 minus 4 minus 1. It turns into a big argument. A lot of students confused with each other. A lot of students arguing with each other about a correct answer. But let's go through these approaches. First of all, let's look at this first interpretation. So this approach works like that. So first we subtract, then we divide, which is really big mistake in terms of math because subtraction is all the time after division. So we need to divide all of the things. Where do we have this division sign? And the last step is subtraction. So division and then subtraction. Okay, so let's do this. But right here, we subtract first, then we divide. It implies that this is a great solution with parentheses. Without parentheses, this is a very bad solution. With parentheses, this is a great solution. We have 4 minus 4, 0 right here at first. Yeah, subtraction will have the higher priority than division because subtraction is inside parentheses. Right here, we have the same subtraction. So as you can see, this is a great solution with parentheses. So in our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option A or undefined answer. This is a wrong solution, wrong answer. With parentheses, okay. Without parentheses, this is wrong. Let's look at this second interpretation. So this second interpretation also is our randomly method because right here we solve the challenge from left to right. First of all, subtraction, then division, then subtraction. This is very big mistake in terms of math, because subtraction is all the time after division. With parentheses, this is a great solution, because then we should subtract at first, which gives us the 0, and next division, and then subtraction. So with parentheses right here, this is a correct answer, -4. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option. Our last hope right here, third interpretation, so division, then subtraction. So as you can see, first step division, next step subtraction, and we do this right here. We made it this solution right here. So we have division first and subtraction. So our correct answer is -1. Also, if you know a little bit about math right here, we can easily cancel 4 and -4, which gives us 0. So we have 4 and -4. So as a result, we have only -4 divided by 4, which gives us -1. So here's our math trick right here. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, so you can easily check this answer in your calculator, for example, graphing calculator, scientific, but don't use a regular calculator, because you know sometimes happen that those type of calculators work with problem as you type it in. So for example, you plug in 4 minus 4 and your calculator gives you 0, okay, and then your calculator divide by 4, okay, -4, so -4. If you solve these challenges like that, your calculator gives you -4. But try to find a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem. If you plug in the whole entire problem, then your calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation. So if you plug in right now in your regular calculator this problem, for example, sometimes calculators gives you -4, which is absolutely wrong answer. So try to find a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem. So here's my explanation to this challenge. Correct answer is -1, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So thank you for your time. See you in the next videos.